G'day, Adam, VK for GHZ. We're here at the Murrenbong Scout Campsite and we're doing some preparation work for the 2.4 gig shootout day. So the signal source is a WinFreak Synth NV. We've used this a few times before in our shootouts. It's quite a versatile little thing and it works quite well. It's plugged into a laptop here at this end, and what we've done was set up a network, and this laptop's being remote controlled by another laptop back down there where the guys will be listening for it.
Hi, I'm Peter, VK4EA. I'm out here with Adam, VK4GHZ, with the pre-work for the 2.4 gig shootout. So, as Adam mentioned before, we're remotely controlling a laptop which is about 60 metres that way, going through a magic blue cable, and we're remote desktoped to the laptop over there by a very simple network. A big long blue cable running the thing off 12 volts, and yeah, we can remotely control the Synth NV software just sitting here under the shade. It's fantastic. Here we are at the receiver end, and just using the IC970. This one's got the 2400 meg option fitted. As you can hear, it's a fairly nice signal. That's indicating S6, and we've got it wound down as far as we can go. And we're just using a grid pack as the antenna with a bit of LDF 450 feeding it.
Thanks, Peter. So here we are, full remote control of the other laptop. One thing we did find during the last shootout is that when you were controlling the Synth NV locally at the other end, it was a real pain in the bum having to run across to make any adjustments. So remote controlling it from this end where all the guys are set up makes it so much easier to use. So here we go. I'm going to demonstrate. We do actually have control of it. As we look at the S meter on the 970 over there, I can turn the RF on and off. I can throttle the power. It's a big loud signal at the moment anyway. Let's just turn the AM modulation off. So that's at, should be able to see the power varying in there. And one good thing about the Synth NV, it has a low power mode, so that's designed to hardwire straight into a receiver front end, and it generates a really low level signal. So let's just enter into that mode. So we're into low power mode. Let me turn the signal down, like so. It's a really, really weak signal. Now also bear in mind too, the Synth NV is hooked up to a WIA6 VJB log periodic type antenna. And there is a 3 dB attenuator in series with that, so if we wanted an even weaker signal, we could include extra attenuation at that end. So nice weak signal. If we apply some AM modulation to it, like so. We're only about 65 metres away, but we do have a 100 metre length of Cat5e cable, so we could get it a bit further away if we wanted to. So this is the Murrenbong Scout Camp here. This is where we'll be doing the 2.4 and 3.4 gig shootout day. Facilities here are pretty good. There's a real flushing toilet. You don't need to shit in a hole. Plenty of space to set up a tent. You can bring in your caravan. It's 2-wheel drive access. You can sleep in your truck, whatever you want to do. On the Sunday morning, we'll be running the actual shootout on 2.4 and 3.4 gigs. But for those who want to come out and camp on the Saturday night, bit of a social event, we'll see you there.